Hello, my YouTubers. I've been on the road now for almost a year, and during my travels, I found that I needed some service work, so I recorded some videos that I'm going to share with you. One of which was the service on my Mercedes-Benz Sprinter, and some of that I've already released, and I'll have more in the next week or so. But in today's video, I'm going to share with you the National RV Refrigeration Repair Center in Shipshewana, Indiana. I stopped through on our travels to have them primarily do a refurbish on my Norcold 611 LT, which was standard in the Winnebago, Itasca, Navion, and many other RVs. While there also I had them do some AC adjustments, and they primarily are an AC and RV repair center. This site is about 25 miles outside of Elkhart, Indiana, the RV capital, where they produce most RVs. And I captured some of those videos, but I just want to introduce you to the RV Refrigeration Center. There are a couple of them in the area. It's an Amish community. They do outstanding work, reasonable prices. They're located on State Route 120. Their address is 9755 State Route 120. The locals call it Shipshewana, but it's Shipshewana, Indiana. So if you need RV refrigeration or AC repair services, they have an inventory. I'll show you that in some of the video, and I'll share some of the information down below. Appreciate your comments, appreciate your subscriptions. Anything we can do to help a fellow RVer, we're happy to do. So thank you much for watching the videos. Okay, we're at West State Route 120 in Shipshewana, Indiana, and we're at National RV Refrigeration. There's a couple of them here. The Amish National RV, I think JC. We're about 25 miles outside of Elkhart, and this is where you come if you want your refrigerator serviced or replaced in your RV. So we have an appointment here, and we are going to either have it updated or replaced. Alright, I'm inside the shop now, National RV, and they're going to go through everything. Check refrigeration, AC, they do it all. You can see their warehouse is stocked with all kinds of parts and refrigerators, AC units, so forth. So they're going to get started on it, and more to come. Alright, so we've got a whole new tubing vent system in with the new evaporator installed now, and you can see it's plugged up and running, doing all of its tests. We're making progress, and we're checking the AC unit now. We'll see what we need to do with it. So you can see work continues. We got quite a bit of collection of stuff in here. So again, National RV Refrigeration here on State Route 120 West in Shipshewana, Indiana. I'll just give you some more video. You can see in the warehouse here, there's all the backings ready to go. So if you need refrigeration repair, service, AC, come on over. You can see the backings are all made up, ready to go. All right. About online.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, I feel.
They talk about you because they say you do such a good job for them. You know. So let me show them. So they painted the inside for me. And they've already done the backing.
Run up and see if I can find
They're
it.
doing the AC work now. And we're going to check into installing a soft start system in here. And everything is checking out. We're going to be good to go here after we get maybe a soft start installed. And everything should be good to go.
Sen är straight standväg under dra like vad filter det in. Säger startar du drag igen? Nej. Where's Danny go?
Ja. Moet één answer wel een compressor nog één zin of stem.
What is the compressor here?
Oh nee, de compressor is van uit de door. Zo duur één dat er hinne onder nee het spoor.
And I forget what was
Glenn.
your Glenn, and I know Caleb. All right. Well, guys, we appreciate it.
Okay, yep.
I'm on the road.
Okay.
All right.